Hey folks, and welcome back. In this one, we are talking everything about Java arithmetic operators. We're going to be talking about the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, increment, and decrement operators, as well as the shorthanded versions as well. So you need to learn a couple different things here, but we're going to start off by making an int x equals to 5 plus 5. And as we all know, 5 plus 5, that would equal 10. So let's go ahead and print that out in console here. And there we go. It printed out 10. What if I did 5 minus 5 using the minus operator up here? That would be 0. What about 5 divided by 5? That would be 1. 5 modulus 5. This would be 0. If you guys are unfamiliar with how modulus works, it basically is a division problem, and then it takes the remainder and prints it out. So say that I had 3 modulus 2. This would equal to 1, because whenever you do 3 divided by 2, this would actually equal to 1.5, which means that it does not get divided evenly, which means it can really only go into it one time, which means that there is a remainder of 1 left over. That's what modulus prints out. And I will get to increment in just a second here, but we need to also understand that we can use multiple variables to do this as well. So if I want to set x equal to 5, and I want to create another variable called y, and I want to set that also equal to 5, I can do int z equals x times y. And, that's multiplication. And we just have to print out the result of z here. And as we can see, that gives us 25. Now, the reason I said we need to understand that we can use variables is we can also increment and decrement variables as well. So like I can do x plus plus here. And the plus plus can be put after the x, or can also put before the x. And this will print out 6 actually, because it's incrementing the x by 1 value. And if you see we do the other way, it does it the same exact way. But even though that they are printing out the same value, plus plus x and x plus plus does not do the same thing. So to fully understand what it actually does under the hood, we're going to create another variable here called y. And we're going to set y equal to plus plus x. And then we're going to print out both variable values so I can actively show you. So in this way, where we do plus plus x, these are both equal to 6. The reason is because whenever you put this in front of the x here, it means that it's going to increment x before y gets assigned to x's value. So if x is equal to 5, this increments x to 6, and then also assigns a y to 6. But if we do it the other way, x plus plus, that means whenever we assign the value of y, it will actually be equal to 5. And then x, because we're incrementing it, will actually print out to be 6. As you can see here. So we will get more into that as time goes on and show you guys how you can use that in this course. But that is the basic to get started with increment. You can do the same exact thing for decrement as well. You can put it after or before. And there's your respective values. Another thing you can do here, we'll just get rid of the y value here. So to fully understand these operators here, we need to understand on how you can increment a variable by itself. So right now, if I wanted to increase the value of x by 3, I would have to do x equals to x plus 3. And there you go. And then I would have to run it like this. But this seems a little bit repetitive, and there's a shorter way to do this. So you could do x plus equals 3. And this is essentially the shorthand version of doing that, as you can see. And you can do this with all of the different operators, such as minus, times, division, and modulus. But that is the basics on arithmetic operators. So if you guys like this, please give it a like. Please subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys in the next Java tutorial. See ya.